Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is a really quick video to just give you an overview of some of the shoes that I've done recently. And this is kind of a way to look at everything that I've done over the past couple of weeks. And if you see something that you think is pretty or that you want to duplicate or that you can tweak to make your own, it's a really quick way to look at some of the things that I've done and get to that video and make it. So let me quickly review what each shoe is. This is my prom lace applique shoe. It's super cute and super easy to make, really inexpensive, and I think it adds a lot of pop to a custom made dress or a custom made look. This is another look at the shoe. This is my beaded camouflage shoe. This took a while to make, but I really think it's a great addition if you want something that's versatile but unique to add to your shoe wardrobe. This is another look at the beaded camouflage shoe. This is my nude heel with Swarovski crystals, and this is what I would use as a more casual look. However, if you change the color, like if you did this on a black shoe, a red shoe, or even a yellow shoe, this would look spectacular and you could take it easily into evening wear. This is another look at the shoe. This is another look at the messy denim boot. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. Have a great day.